Bollywood diva Sridevi is back, but this time it is nothing close to her last act in English Winglish. In her new film Mom, she is in a totally different avatar of a mother trying to choose between wrong and more wrong while facing a choice between love, trust and suspect. The thriller also stars Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Akshay Khanna, and its trailer, which released, has already left the fans intrigued about its unique plot. Though Mom is Sridevi's 300th film, the actor says she still feels like a newcomer in the film industry.
मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है ये मेरी पहली पिक्चर है. I'm feeling like a newcomer.
The 53-year-old star said working on the film was a great experience, mainly with Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Akshay Khanna.
Working in Mom was a very beautiful experience for me, and it's really wonderful to work. इस फिल्म में मैं काफ़ी लोगों के साथ पहली बार काम कर रही हूँ, जैसे Nawazuddin ji. It's really, I mean, wonderful to see him on screen. It's really, and he's a gifted actor, and I'm a huge admirer of his work. I have so much respect for him as an actor. Or, of course, Ravi, my director, he brought so much positivity on the sets, and he had such a wonderful vision for Mom. And of course, Boni ji, matlab I'm not saying this because of, he's a wonderful producer and he's like adorable. He goes all out to please everybody. And of course, Akshay Khanna is such a powerful performer. And Adnan ji and Sajal, who's such a stunning and beautiful actor. I'm really missing them here today. And we really enjoyed making Mom, and I hope you all feel the same after watching the movie.
Sridevi's daughter Janvi and Khushi grabbed a lot of eyeballs at the trailer launch, as the two young girls have been hogging all the limelight at various Bollywood parties due to their glam quotient and immense style statements. But Sridevi refused to share any comment on her daughter entering Bollywood.
जी अभी आप जानवी के मॉम के बारे में बात कीजिए. जानवी के बारे में बाद में.
While Nawazuddin had to say more about the superstar Sridevi, let's also hear what producer Boni Kapoor had to say about his wife.
My wife, who's the soul of my life, is the not just soul, she's my life. In fact, it is thanks to her that I'm here today, sitting and smiling. And as you said, I look handsome. If I look sane and handsome, it's thanks to her. Well, she's put in a tremendous effort, as she always does for all her films. But this one has been special because she's been really attached to the script. Ever since she's heard the script, she's dwelled so deeply in it that at times I forgot that I had a wife around me. In fact, when we were shooting for this film in Delhi, I was made to stay on some other floor. Because she didn't want to be the wife on the set. She wanted to be the mom, the character. And such devotion is really hard to come by. I've made several films. I've worked with so many wonderful actors. Everybody gives their best, but this one is special. And I'm sure you all would feel the same after you all get to see the film on 7th of July.
मेरा ड्रीम था मैम के साथ काम करने का एक्चुअली, क्योंकि बहुत शुरू से इसलिए क्योंकि जब से मैंने एक्टिंग नेशनल स्कूल ऑफ ड्रामा में था और हम फिल्में देखते थे तो बहुत सारी फिल्में ऐसी थी जिनमें बहुत छोटी छोटी डिटेलिंग्स पे काम करती थी मैम. इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट कि वो कमर्शियल फिल्मों में भी काम करती थी और एट द सेम टाइम जो एक्टिंग का जो उनका पैरामीटर तो बहुत ही एक्टर को इंस्पायर करने वाला होता था. तो मैं तब से मेरा ड्रीम था कि अगर लाइफ में कभी ऐसा हुआ तो ज़रूर काम करूँगा. और वो मैंने सेट पे भी देखा, इतना पेशेंस और इतना मतलब अगर शॉट 2 घंटे के बाद भी है लेकिन बहुत ही पेशेंस के साथ ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती जो सीखने वाली, जो ऑफ कोर्स मैं मंटो में भी यूज़ कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मंटो में हमारा बहुत ही हैक्टिक और बहुत ही एग्जॉस्ट करने वाला शेड्यूल है, लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ मैम के वो झेलना भी आना चाहिए, वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. तो बहुत कुछ सीखा मैंने एज एन एक्टर ऑफ कोर्स। और फिल्म में तो खैर फिल्म तो जब रिलीज़ होगी जब तब पता चलेगा, क्योंकि उसमें बहुत ही खूबसूरत इमोशंस हैं और बहुत ही हम लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत की है उसमें, कई जगह पे शेड्यूल किया।